פספסנו את הרכבת האחרונה?
לא, לא.
נעמה.
Go back to our home in Palestine, extreme people, for prosperity, for economic development.
And try to
So that's the first one. So 9 days we can go as much as Japan, but
70,000 people died. Inside of this fence, my mother, father, my younger brother rests in peace.
completely disregard that the other side has also problems, and you only talk about your side all the time.
And innocent people get hurt.
My advice for you, just to come and see the reality. Don't feel yourself.
But if they will come to Israel, they will have a problem with the checkpoint, but no one will kill them.
Here to discuss.
But if I will go from a checkpoint to Ramallah, I'm not so sure that I will go alive out of it.
And I want you to talk about our suffering as well.
That's exactly what he's saying, is we do sympathize with you.
But if we wanted to speak about conflict, we will not finish, because they have a conflict, they have issues, and we have issues, okay?
And I just want to understand, okay? This is bad for you now that you're talking with me? Not now, but when they see that you talk with me, it's bad.
I make you nervous.
This make me nervous, not you.
Calm down.
Okay. זה מעצבן.
Okay. Do you have joke?
I have to go to sleep.
Okay. Yalla. 1, 2, 3. Do it?
Yes. Nah.